Hello everyone, welcome back to your favorite cat capsule 20 minutes. In our daily DIY mornings and in our time quiz, today we had a balance in which quant was on a bit tougher side, RC was on a tougher side, but DI was on a moderate level side. So this set is one of the very good sets when it comes to balancing and finding out the permutations and combinations. Difficulty level is 3 out of 5 and the optimum time to solve this set is 6 to 7 minutes only. Okay. Let's see what the set is all about. Okay. This is a comprehensive overview of the courses that we offer. If you wish to join us, our new batch is going to start super soon. You can join us with the link given in the description. Let's move. So let's see what the set is all about. Now it says there are 8 friends A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, G, H. They have among them apple, banana, orange, guava, papaya, mango, pomegranate, and carrot in that order only. So it is that order only. So basically A plus B plus C plus D plus E, F, G, and H. They have some fruits that are apple, banana, orange, papaya, mango, and pomegranate, carrot. I have missed something. Orange, guava miss कर दिया मैंने. Guava, papaya, mango, pomegranate, and carrot. In this order only they have their fruits. The total fruits have 36. The total fruits they have is 36. And no two friends have same number of fruit. Okay. No two friends have same number of fruit, which means 1, 2, 3, 4, any number, but they have to be distinct. If I see these are 8 friends, each one has at least one. Each person has actually one type and at least one. So minimum I can give to anyone is 1. So 1 and so on. If the total is 36 and there are 8 students, the only obstacle one will face in this set is to find out और कि कितनी देर में बल्ब जगता है आपका कि sum of first natural numbers, 8 natural numbers is 36. So if the sum of first 8 natural numbers is 36, this implies or this means that the fruits are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 in number. So this is the number of fruits. This is the only thing that one need to map in this. Now let's read what the conditions are all about. That the total number of apples and papayas is same as the common grade. So apple plus papaya is same as common grade. First condition. There are 10 orange and guavas put together. So orange plus guava is equal to 10. Okay. The total number of papaya and mangoes is 8. So papaya and mango is 8. There is a half a dozen of apple and oranges. Apple plus oranges is half a dozen, means 6. Okay. D has the maximum pieces of all. So D ke paas maximum, meaning guava is maximum. So maximum is 8. So guava is 8. So if guava is 8, orange is 2. Guava is 8, orange is 2. So guava 8, orange 2. So orange 2, then apple is 6. Apple is 4. Papaya plus mango is equal to 8. I have one condition left, that the number of fruits with E is not a perfect square. E means papaya is not a perfect square. So papaya cannot be of perfect square. So now I am left with these two conditions. Let's try to sort something. Apples is first of all 4. So this cannot be 8. So this can either be 7 or a 6. Okay. Now papaya plus mango is 8. What are the possibilities? The possibilities to make it 8 is 1 plus 7. This is one possibility. But papaya cannot be 1, right? Papaya to 1 हो नहीं सकता. And can I say papaya 7 भी हो सकता? Why? Because अगर papaya को 7 करा तो 4 plus 7 11 हो जाएगा. This total is not permissible. So this 1 plus 7 is not possible. Next what? 2 plus 6. Can I do 2 plus 6? 2 is already given to orange. अगर 2 already orange है तो इनमें से कोई नहीं है. The only combination left is 3 plus 3 plus 5 is the only combination left. So papaya is either 3 or a 5. If I keep papaya as 5, the total of pomegranate will be 9, which is not possible, which means papaya has to be 3. So papaya has to be 3, then mango has to be 5, which means that 4 plus 3, pomegranate have to be 7. So I am left with what? I am left with carrot and bananas, and there is no information given about D or H, or either about bananas or carrot. So they can interchange banana or carrot and banana or carrot. So these are the things. So let's move to the question quickly. How many papayas does E have? Papayas E. Papaya has 33. Number of papayas is 3. The number of fruits with G. G has pomegranate. Pomegranate is our 7. How many mangoes were there? So mangoes were 5. And what is the total number of carrots and bananas? So either carrot or banana is 1/6 or 6/1. So total will remain constant. That is 7. They can interchange, but still the total will remain constant. So this is 7. So this completes my set. A pretty one on a easier side, I can say, one among the odd. But tomorrow will be interesting with the difficult level puzzles for sure. If you like the expression, please do subscribe to our channel and do a join us as soon as possible. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great day.